Hello traders, the markets did something unexpected today. Let's take a look. And we are down 25 points on the S&P. And I'm going to pull this over so we can take a look at it. We are down 2% on the Dow, 3.8% on the NASDAQ, S&P down 2.8%. But the Russell's down, look at this, almost double. Wow, I mean, Russell's down quite a bit today. The VIX, what I do like here is the VIX did not pop nearly as much as we dropped. And we're still at 55.8 area on the VIX. So, as far as the VIX is concerned, we're not nearly as bearish as what it looks like, breaking this support area heading down. Let's zoom in. Look at this. We broke down below this. I'm going to bring it down just a bit. We have support here. We come up. We have support there. Support, support, support. And then we broke it today. I'll tell you, we're below the 8 EMA, the 11 EMA, and we're down here at the 20 SMA, simple moving average. And then we have this till line coming across. And again, let me show you what some of these lines are. This till line, I got to blow this up just a little more. I know there's a lot of lines on here, bear with me, but see this area right there, this till line comes across, support, 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 broke support, kind of resistance or support here, it comes across, and so that area should become support. The 20-day moving average should be support, this should be support, and this big monstrous trend coming down, this line right here, down, 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 because we have resistance, 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 that should act as support. So we got some major support. As much as I'd like to load up short right here, I can't because of all this support area. And I would need to see it cross down here below 850. And then by the time it got right there, 835. So it needs to first get through 850 and then also around 835. If it gets past there, then you have support at 800, and then you'll have support down here at this 770 area and the 750 area. So you got all these support areas that needs to crack through. The MACD is still over the zero line. That's bullish. The VIX is still acting somewhat bullish. But the price action itself broke a support area. This is a line. This line right here is a line that I didn't have in place. I just drew that and I just slapped myself on the forehead and thought, duh, that should have been on there. See, we have a swing high here, another small one there. So there's resistance and resistance. And look how I was able to capture a major swing low right there. So we have support here, resistance there, resistance there. We have ourselves a good old-fashioned rising wedge, which is a bearish formation. So what do you do with this information? Well, here's the thing. As much as I'd like to load up short, I'm not. As a disclosure, I did enter a small, very small SDS trade today. That is a bearish ETF on the S&P 500. You buy those in anticipation of the S&P going down. Those will go up. It's called the SDS. So I do have that right now in anticipation of a down day tomorrow. I don't necessarily think that I'm going to be holding overnight, tomorrow night, holding over the weekend. So that's what we have going on. Now, I really thought we were going to go bullish here, especially today, man. There for a little while we had a little bitty doji, a itsy bitsy little doji right here. And I thought, there it is. That is a perfect pinching pattern. Nice. bullish pennant. And I thought, there it is. We're going to pop. And then right at the end of the day, last hour of the day or so, last hour and a half, we just come crashing down with a vengeance. And that ruined it. That ruined any opportunity or possibility that we were going to go bullish here. So anyway, there you have it. I'm sitting on my hands, guys. I don't see anything that's causing me to want to add the troops, you know, in. And yes, we have what looks to be an inverted head and shoulders, but look at how we're hanging up already. You know, another thing is we have this big down movement. Could this be a bear flag? Maybe. So let's watch for this. If we do come crashing down, I'd like to find some support here and maybe develop a double bottom. At best, guys, the markets are choppy, and that's a good place to give money back. I'm just not willing to jump in guessing and betting on the markets. I need a trend. That's what I'm looking for. So be patient. Take care, and happy trading to you. And remember, never be early on a trade. I tried to warn people yesterday that it needed to clear some of these levels up here. And when that didn't happen, you know, I didn't pull the trigger to the long side. Some of you might have jumped in long in anticipation of that happening. Never be early. Don't buy a base. Don't buy a triangle. Buy a breakout or buy a breakdown. Because we're broke down here, I went ahead and entered a small token short position. So we'll see how it pans out. Until next time, we'll see you at freetradingvideos.com.